Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our maths class. I am your maths teacher from United Public School, Tandoor. Okay, we are discussing about the 8th class first chapter that is called rational number. Rational number is nothing but a number which is in the form of p by q. Q should not equals to 0. Okay, the number which is in the form of q, p by q and q should not equals to 0. Means denominator should not equals to 0. Okay, in this whole chapter we are which number is come across? Only rational numbers. Okay, p by q form we are dealing with the only p by q numbers. No, sir, not. Okay, we are completing the exercise 1.1 nama. Today we are going to start the exercise 1.2. Okay, we are going to exercise 1.2. In that first one is represent these number on the number line. What we have to do in this bit? Whatever number is there, just we have to locate or represent this number on the number line. Okay, up to the earlier classes, what we have to do, we are dealing with we are taking a number line. When we represent the 2, where is 2? Here, ma. Minus 1, where is minus 1? Here. Up to that we are represent only integers on the number line. On this today's class we have to represent the fraction on number line. How can we do? Let's see how can we do. Okay, ma'am, welcome to answer. What is that? Represent this number on the number line. First one question is 9 by 7. What we have to do? This 9 by 7, this fraction, this rational number we have to represent on the number line. Okay, ma'am. Before going to solve this question, just we have to know about some note point. With the help of that we can draw the number line. Okay, ma. With the help of that note point we are knowing about that how many numbers we have to take in the number line. Okay, to represent this represent any fraction number we have to know about improper and proper fraction. Okay, what is improper and what is proper fraction? Let's see. First, improper is that numerator is greater than denominator. What is the numerator and what is the denominator? I am taking the a by b. Okay, a is numerator. Okay, what is a? A is numerator. What is b? B is denominator. Okay, numerator is greater than denominator means improper fraction is that numerator should be greater than. Okay, ma. Here is I am taking the example 73 by 70. Okay, which one is greater? Numerator is greater, nama, because it is a 73 and denominator is 70. Ma. Okay, means which one is greater among two? Numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. Ma. Okay, means it is an improper fraction. First it is a proper fraction, ma, but it is an improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, ma. Proper fraction is greater than 1. Okay, when we solve this number, ma, when we cut this number, what we get? We get the greater than number. Okay, means it is a greater than 1 means we are taking the numbers on the number. Can you understand this one, ma? Means that improper fraction means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. This is example. When we solve this question means the proper fraction is greater than 1. When we get answer, after cancelling we get answer 1, ma. Okay, greater than 1. Okay, means it is help. This one is help to draw the number line, means how many numbers we have to take on the number line. First observe this, it is improper or proper? Means it is improper, ma, because numerator is greater. What is that? Numerator is greater. Numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. Okay, means it answer is greater than 1 means that we have to take the number greater than 1 means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Okay, we are taking the 2, 1, 2. Okay, here also I am taking minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, can I understand my point, ma? What is that? First we have to observe whether it is a proper or improper. It is improper because numerator is greater, denominator is smaller means that it is lies between greater than 1, ma. The number is lies between greater than 1. Okay, here is 1, ma. The number is lies between 1 and 2 means it is greater than 1, nama. With the help of that note point, we are knowing that how many points we have to take on the number line. Okay, I am taking the 0 here. 1, 2, minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, what we have to do? We have to represent the 9 by 7 means that First, before going to the locate, just we have to do the observe the denominator. Listen my point carefully. Denominator tell us how many parts we have to divide. Okay, can I follow my point? Denominator tell us how many parts we have to divide in a unit distance. Okay, 0 to 1 is a unit distance, 1 to 2 is a unit distance. Okay, here to here it is a unit distance, or else you can call it as fixed distance. Okay, how many parts we have to divide? Numerator tell us how many parts we have to divide in a fixed distance. Okay, here 7 means here to here is a fixed distance. Now how many parts we have to divide? We have to divide the 7 parts, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is a 7. First is a 7. Okay, next one also we have to do same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here also we are taking the 7 parts, here also we are taking the 7 parts. How? Because denominator is 7, because this denominator tells us how many parts we have to divide in a fixed distance. Okay, come to the numerator. Numerator is tell us. Follow my points please. 9. Here 9 is numerator tell us how many parts we are taking in the consideration. Okay, numerator tell us how many parts we have to take in the consideration. Okay, here 9. I am taking the 9 points from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means this is a point of 9 by 7. Okay, 9%. What we have to do? How many parts? How many steps you have to follow? First step is that first you have to observe that it is a improper or proper. Okay, it is a improper because numerator is greater, denominator is smaller. Okay, first when numerator is greater, it is an improper fraction. Okay, that much you have to remember. Means it is the number is lies between greater than 1. Okay, it is lies between greater than. Here is 1. It is a greater than 1 number. Here point is a greater than 1 means it is a which number we have to take the on the number line? 0, 1 and 2, 3. You can say. Okay, then what we have to do? Observe the numerator. Numerator is 7 means we have to divide the fixed distance into 7 parts. Okay, we are taking the 7 parts. 7 parts we have to divide the in a fixed distance. Okay, ma'am. How many numbers is that on the numerator? 9. Okay, from 0 you have to count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means this is a point. We are locating the 9 by 7. Okay, this is a following step. Okay, ma'am. Can you understand this question? Okay. Second one is your homework. Here second one is your homework. Ma'am, what is that? Minus 7 by 5 means you have to take a number line. It is also improper fraction. It is also improper fraction. You are take the number line 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2. Okay. After taking, you have to divide how many parts? 5 parts. Okay. After taking the 5 parts, we have to divide in a fixed distance. Afterwards, you have to consider how many parts, ma'am? We have to consider the 7 parts. Means from 0, you have to count 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. That point is a minus. You have to go to the left side. Okay. We have to divide 5 points. After dividing the 5 points, you have to take the 7 points, 7 parts. Afterwards, you are right. Okay. Your answer is here side, my left side. Okay. Your answer is left side because it is a minus 7 by 5. Okay. This is your homework. This is simple problem. You can solve it. Okay, ma'am. Okay. I am solving the first one. I am giving you homework the second one. Okay. Come to the second one. What is that? Represented. What you have to do? This is the second one. Represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13 and minus 9 by 13 on the number line. Okay. What we have to do? These three numbers we have to represent on one line. Okay. On number line. We are taking the one number line. After taking that, we have to represent these three numbers on that line. Okay, ma'am. Let's see how can we do this. Okay, this is your answer, ma'am. Okay. Before solve this question, just we have to know the some note point. Okay. This one is a proper fraction. We are learning about the improper, which are used in the first bit. Okay, which are used in the first bit. proper fraction we have to know because which is used in the second bit. Okay ma? First we have to know about proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? Proper fraction is nothing but numerator is less than denominator. It is a proper fraction means numerator less than denominator, means numerator is less than denominator. Okay, I am taking the example as 50 divided by 70. What is numerator ma? Numerator is 550 and denominator is 70, means numerator is less than or not? Numerator less than the denominator, means numerator should have to less than, then the fraction is proper. Here the 50, here the 70, it is a proper. Okay, 50 is less than 70 na ma? Okay, when we cut the proper fraction, the answer is the proper fraction is lies between 0 to 1. Okay, when we have to represent the proper fraction on the number 9, what we have to do? We have to we have to take the 0, 1, minus 1. Okay, here is that number. Proper fraction lies between 0 and 1, means it is lies between. It will be always in between 0 and 1. Can I understand my point? The proper fraction is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, we are taking not 2, 3. Okay, we are taking the 0 and 1, 0 and minus 1. Okay, this note point we are helped to draw the number line. Okay ma? How many numbers we have to take on the number line? Okay, let's see the answer. I am taking the here is a proper fraction, means numerator is less than number. Numerators are less than denominators. Okay, the 13 is there. It is a greater number among 3 numbers. Okay ma? What we have to do? Just observe the denominator. What is the denominator ma? 13. Okay, 13 means we are from 0 to 1 is there na? It is a fixed distance. It is a unit distance. How many parts we have to divide? Numerator tell us how many parts we have to divide. Means we have to divide the 0 to 1 into 13 parts. Okay, how many parts we have to divide? 13 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I am taking that. We are dividing dividing 30 parts. Okay, in fixed distance. First we have to represent minus 2 by 13, means where we have to go from left side, because here minus. Okay, here minus, negative, here the negative numbers, here the positive numbers. Okay ma? 2. Okay, we have to take the 2. 1, 2 means it is a minus 2 by 13. Okay, what is that? 5. Okay, from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means this is a point of 5 by 13. What we have to last one? 9 by 13. What we have to do? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means it is a minus 9 by 13. Okay, can you understand this ma? It is a simple problem. What we have to do? Just you take the number line. Before drawing the number line, just you have to do the improper, proper. If it is a proper, we have to taking the 0, 1, minus 1. Okay, if it is improper, we are taking the 1, 2 or 3. Okay, it is that. Just denominator, how many numbers we have to take, that parts we have to divide. After dividing, just you have to take the whatever number. After that number, we are writing that number. Okay ma? We are taking whatever number is given. This number we have to write. Okay ma? Today's class is completed ma. Hope you all are understanding the first one and the second one questions. This is one your homework. Simple problem. Just you have to complete the notes up to the second one question and submit in the group. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.